because you will be traveling on the hottest cruiser on earth, and at the top of the top, you will be staying on the most upmarket hotel ever, just meant for rich people. On the first day, you will visit the old and traditional part of Dubai, watching all the temples, traditional markets, and last but not least, the traditional food and ingredients. On the second day, you will be able to take a ride all along the shore on a kayak, lay back on the beautiful beaches, and have that desired moment of peace. On the third day, a tourist agent is going to give you a ride on the traditional roofing boats, and then you will be given a delicious meal Arabic style. On the fourth day, native people will give you a camel ride all along the desert, on the most beautiful camels you have ever seen. On the fifth day, you are going to be very surprised with the biggest building around the world. With its unbelievable infrastructure, they are the highest one in the whole world. The sixth day will be special. First, you will have an helicopter ride to see the incredible island man-made. After that, you will have a perfect massage on the beach by the soft hands of an Arabian woman or Arabian man. The seventh and last day, you will receive a special treatment. You are going to spend the whole day on the most luxury and secluded hotel ever. You will be able to take a nap or look at the picturesque surroundings. So don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Go now to the nearest tourist agency and book your dreams vacation.